I'm warning you.
Give it to us.
Smooth moves. Maybe you didn't need my help after all. Come on, 3 guys against a little lady? Okay, anyway, let's check out who these guys are and what they want. Cops? What the?
Stop, roll, shoot!
Real original, Ollie. Your choice. Oh, this will be really good.
Stop or die. Even you can't dodge an arrow at this range. Turn around. Hood off. You know, there was a time I wouldn't consider what I'm considering right now, being a law-abiding citizen and all, but that time is gone. Last chance. Hood!